Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the SKIMS Swarovski limited edition collaboration cotton rib plunge bralette in the color light heather gray. We've taken a look at this item on our channel before in the bubblegum pink, so you will definitely see some similarities, although I do think that these two items are very unique, and you'll see why in a moment. All right, now so far you've gotten a look at the signature SKIMS Swarovski packaging, which is the beautiful silver box, and now we're going to take a look at how these items come packaged with the SKIMS Swarovski inscripted tissue paper. Now, because when you're purchasing these nowadays, they're either on resale or they have been returned items, you probably won't see it in this exact packaging, but this is how it's supposed to come. So getting our first look at our item, we can see the very stark and striking SKIMS and Swarovski logos in those Swarovski crystals all around the band. I actually think this item was done very, very well. It's a comfortable fabric. It stretches horizontally, but it doesn't really have too much vertical give. The band is sturdy, so it feels like it would give a lot of support. And we did try this on off camera and can attest to the comfort level. It's not too tight. It is adjustable. You do have 3 or 4 options of tightness around the band, and it is lined on the inside, so you're not actually getting that cotton material, although it is very soft right on your body. So just showing you how this looks with the brief in the light heather gray as well. And then of course this is the gray color, and it does come in the white, which is called marble, as well as the bubblegum pink. We don't have those in the brief itself, but we did unbox the boxer on our channel. So this is how the white would look, and you can kind of imagine, pairing them with different items across the collection. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.